What's up, guys? It's your boy Nate back and Quentin. So it is the last grit because and I'm grit number 3. Like, look, grit here, and then there's some grit like on the bottom here, and some there, but that's kind of fine. Couldn't open it.
No, let's open it to see what it looks like.
Yeah.
I'm asking an adult to help you with opening this. This is what it looks like from the side. Let's straighten it. Make sure to dump the water outside in your backyard and not down the sink. And make sure to rinse out your barrel nice and clean so you could use it again. This is what the rocks look like before step 4, which is polishing. This is step 4, which is polishing. Again, now let's put the rocks into the tumbler. The grit in the barrel, you gotta pour the water just over the rocks.
The tumbler. I'm super more. Just like
That's
one.
good.
No, one tiny and so good.
Now you close it.
Close it.
Make sure you close it good.
And tightly.
And one thing about this is that it's really hard to close it and open it. And it leaks.
Yeah.
But overall, it's been pretty fun doing this with you guys. We'll see you when this week is over.
4
Bye.
out of 5.